Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in this series of OpenCV, I am going to discuss about changing color spaces. This is one GitHub link which I have opened here, and it will be helping you out a lot to understand the concept of changing colors using OpenCV. I will be sharing this link into the into the description box, so you will be able to access it directly, and that will be helping you out. You can see there are more than 150 color space conversion methods available in OpenCV. But we will look into only two. Like in this, they are going only two, but you can just explore it. I will be sharing links for that. You will be not facing problem. So here, this is one of it, and I will be sharing this also. Now let's see these things practically. And this was the previous program file which we have like done in the video. In the last lecture, we have seen this color conversion to BGR to gray, and I'm just copying the same code to make the. I will be making the changes in this program file. See, in case you are new to this video, I will suggest you to please watch the previous lectures because all the videos are interconnected, and if you will be watching something from between, you will be facing problem because all the videos are interconnected. So here I'm just going to change this, and now as we will be taking color here, you can see giving color underscore, it will be like automatically denoting that what are the different color options available to us. Okay, so here you can see different color options are coming. Okay, now here if you are just taking, let's take the first like BGR one we are going for. First of all, suppose you are taking color underscore RGB to BGR. Okay, let's see that what's going to happen in this case and how it is going to work. I'm having a notebook in my hand, and you will be able to see that when the video will run. So here you can see it. Okay, a bit of conversion into the BGR to gray. Oh, sorry, RGB to BGR. Okay, I'm just changing this variable name to X right now because whatever we are going to do, multiple effects we will be seeing this particular video. So I am not giving a specific name. Okay, this was RGB to gray. Acha, let's comment it, and I'll just copy and show you multiple options here only in this video. Okay, multiple I am going to explain. So this time I am going to take this one, HSV to BGR. So I'm just going to run this now. And here you can see the effects. According to the color it comes, you can see like it is just changing. Here you can see as the video is getting, like it's coming as the negative also, a bit of. Okay, here you can see. And I'm just commenting this one. And here let's take this BGR to gray. We have already seen this HLS one. All are the different effects. Here you can see all effects are different, and according to your requirement you can use them in your projects and all. You can see this effect. Okay, so let's see one more effect. You can try these things by yourself also, you will be not facing any problem. But yes, tell me in the comment section that which particular effect you liked most. And here I'm just checking, yeah, like lab to BGR this time. And here you can see most of blue it is better. So I want to know your answers, like your choice in the comment. So make sure that you comment out in the comment section that which one you liked and how many effects you tried. Like there are many. You can see lab to BGR, lab to RGB. Let's try this also. Here you can see it's coming to red one. Okay, here you can see when it was like I can explain this thing to you, how it is coming in red and how that was coming in blue. Actually you can see lap to bgr, so B was in the first place, that's why the blue was at focus. Then R is at the first place, that's why the red was at focus in this one. So now you can just get an idea that which effect will be giving what output. Okay, here lap to BGR and RGB are given like XYZ, BGR to XYZ the same. Okay, you can see this, like it's really very interesting effect, and I hope you are liking it. See, just try these all, and there are many more. Try them all, and also tell me in the comment section that which effect did you like the best. And if you like this video, don't forget to like the video, share it with your machine learning aspirant friends, and also go through this particular link which I will be sharing in the description. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, and see you in the next video.